Bitcoin is on track for a 3.3% increase tomorrow, digital coin price shows. But first, let's review the current chart before moving on. As of this recording, Bitcoin has climbed by 3.3% over the past 24 hours and is trading around $94,996. Now, let's hear from the analysts' side. CoinLore says the price could ease to $93,691 by January 15, with a decline of roughly 1.4%. Bitcoin may strengthen toward $96,146.37 per coin codex, showing a gain of about 1.2%. According to Cryptonization, the price could be on track for $96,426.89. A gain estimated at 1.5%. A different projection from Digital Coin Price sees Bitcoin advancing toward $98,080.39, an increase of about 3.3%. And to wrap up, 30 rates sees the asset reaching $99,196 by January 15 with 4.4% upside. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. We've heard from all five. Let's continue the analysis. Summarizing all analyst predictions, here's the picture. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a drop of 1.4% and a rise of 4.4%, depending on the analyst. Looking at the numbers, 30 rates comes out on top with 4.4% boost in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could earn between $12 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most likely price change, with a 64.5% probability. With all five forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. Consensus insights highlight Bitcoin gaining close to 1.8%. Here are the key details. Consensus assessment puts the price up around 1.8%. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 1.8% if the scenario holds. For 1,000 invested, this scenario might mean a gain close to $18. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 57.4%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. CoinLore highlights a bearish short-term picture. The near-term direction, noted by CoinCodex, is up. Additionally, Cryptonization predicts steady gains ahead. A climb is likewise highlighted by Digital Coin Price, pointing to bullish sentiment. Additionally, 30 rates sees the chart leaning upward. The consensus aligns on Bitcoin holding an upward trajectory. Looking across the different forecasts, 80% of analysts anticipate growth, pointing to a stronger outlook for Bitcoin. 5 forecasts came in 2 days ago. Yesterday revealed how close they were. At the end of the day, the market recorded $95,412.80. 3 out of 5 analysts predicted the right side of the move. The most accurate forecast was made by Gov Capital Collector. Now we move from the overview to the specifics. 3 forecasts ended up inside the daily candle. For ROI, part of the group finished positive, led by Gov Capital Collector. Here's the complete report, all outcomes compiled into one simple view. In the summary, CoinLore shows $4,697.80 accuracy, 75.2% forecast probability, and -5.1% ROI. Take a glance and see who achieved the most accurate forecast. Now we'll see how Bitcoin stands in tomorrow's expected returns compared with a few others. At second position is Bitcoin, while Ethereum keeps the lead at 2.3%. At this stage, Bitcoin is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full table of returns and long-term analyst results will soon go live on my site and Telegram. Subscribe so you're ready when the next major trend starts forming. Take care, guys.